Today's math lesson is on dividing decimals. However, unlike previous days' lessons, our divisor is not a decimal. So what do you think we do when the divisor is already a whole number? If you recall, we learned this last week. You actually start dividing. If your divisor is already a whole number, then you don't have to move the decimal. And if you don't have to move the decimal, then step one is already done. So let's go ahead and do that. Let's go ahead and divide. All right, so here we go. How many 9s are in 207? So we're going to pretend like the decimal's not even there. We're just going to divide and move the decimal into the answer. How many 9s are in 207? Well, let's see. 10 9s would be 90. So let's double that. 20 9s would be 180. Let's go with 20 9s. 20 9s would be 180. We'll subtract that away. We'll get, let's see here. We'll get 27. Oh, perfect. So next step, you got it. How many 9s are in 27? Well, because we know our math facts, thank you, Reflex Math, we know there's 3. And 3 times 9 is 27. And there's no remainder. So let's add up our partial quotients. We'll get 23. And put our answer in the answer line, just like we've been doing. All right, so the 3 is in the ones place. So the 3 goes all the way to the end. And the 2 goes next, right there. And the decimal comes straight up into our answer. So there you go. If you break 2 and 7/100 into 9 equal pieces, each piece is 23/100. Final answer. Okay, let's do the next problem. Again, check it out. All of today's problems are like this. This is why I'm doing a new lesson. The divisor is already a whole number. We don't have to move any decimals. We can just pretend like the dividend is a whole number, 556 in this case, and we will divide. So let's begin. How many 4s are in 556? Well, let's see, 100 4s would be 400. So let's go with that. Let's just start with that, 100 4s. Nice easy number to multiply by. 100 times 4 is 400. We'll subtract that away. We'll get 6. We'll get 5 and 156. Okay, on to the next step. How many 4s are in 156? Well, 25 4s. Yeah, 4 quarters, right? 25 4s, that'd be $1. It'd be 100 pennies, 100. So let's go with that. Let's go with 25 4s. 25 times 4 is 100. And then we're left with 56. Final step. How many 4s are in 56? Well, I know some extended math facts here beyond my 12 tables. So I happen to know that 4 times 14 is 56. So 10 times 4 is 40, and 4 times 4 is 16. 40 plus 16, that's 56. So no remainder. All right, let's add up our partial quotients. Let's see here in blue. Add them up. Let's see, 5 and 4 and 0 is 9. 0, 2, and 1 is 3. And 1 plus nothing is 1. So now we'll move carefully our answer up into the answer line. The 9 in the ones place goes here. The 3 in the tens place goes here. And the 1 in the hundreds place goes here. And our answer, our decimal, gets moved straight up into our answer line right there. Final answer, 1 and 39/100. So there you go. You're going to do 5 problems today, just like these. Your divisor is already a whole number, and so you don't, in this case, have to move the decimal anywhere, except when you're very, very close to being done and you need to move it straight up into the answer line. That's it. All right, I can't wait to see how you do. Please let me know if you have any questions.